Right, so today's job, we've got a shower in the guest room. If you follow me, have a look. It is a Mira Vi or whatever it is, and what's happening is when we turn it on, absolutely nothing is what's happening. So we're gonna have a look at that, see if we can get that fixed. So I had a look at this a few weeks ago and it appeared to be a fault within the shower. I'm going to quickly show you what I looked at and what I checked, and then we'll try and get it repaired. So to remove the cover, first thing what I checked is that we've got power coming actually into the shower, because there is a switch and then a MCB before this, so we'll best start from the shower end. So I've got it turned on at the minute, so we should have power. So I'll set my multimeter there and we'll just go straight across, live and neutral, and you can see there 240 volts, so we've got power, so we know everything's working from that end. So what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to quickly turn the power off. When you come through here, here's the isolator switch. I'm just going to turn that off for this next bit. There we go. Right, so basically when the on-off button is pressed, it provides power to this. This is a coil and a solenoid valve which then lets the water flow through. So if we check resistance across this, the coil of this solenoid, where the solenoid coil, so we'll follow that blue wire that goes up to there and the black one down to here, and I've got my meter set on resistance. I'll see if I can swing that around so you can see that. So we're on to the black one there, blue one there, absolutely nothing. So I'm pretty certain that that is the problem, that coil not energizing, so it's not opening the solenoid. Right, so here we are, that's a new solenoid coil. So I'll just show you this. So I've got my meter set to resistance again, 2k ohms, and we'll just pop, I'll kind of hold them like that, we'll just pop these across and you'll see on the meter, and there we go, so that's showing a good coil. So I'm pretty certain, pop this in and it'll be fixed. Right, so I've turned the water off just in case anything happens to break on this solenoid valve while I'm taking the coil off. I've also turned the electric off at the MCB. So I'm just going to get that little plug out, that little tab there, and pop this out. Easier said than done, there we go. Now apparently, according to the instructions, you just need to get in and lever that out, and then reckon a little bit of Vaseline on that plastic spindle thing at the top helps, so I'll try that. I'm not really convinced that'll do much. I think those 4 tabs need pressing in, but we'll give it a whirl. If I can. I think those need pressing in, so I'll get some pliers or something and we'll sort that out. Right, I'm going to try squeezing these in a little bit to release this. I'm just wondering whether a little tube or something pressed on might get them out. I'll keep at it. There we go. So I just had a little bit of tension under there with a screwdriver and just went around nipping those, and that seems to have done the job. There we go. So hopefully the new coil, I'll do it if you just pass me that. Yep, and they look the same. So I'll pop that back on. Right, I'm going to go and power this back up and then we'll give it a whirl. So here we go, moment of truth. Water back on, power back on. And we're away. Perfect. Let's get these last couple of screws in. Well, thanks for watching. I hope it's been of use. And I'll leave a description somewhere of where I got that solenoid valve coil from. I think they're pretty much used throughout the Mira range, looking at them, but hopefully it'll be some use. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks very much for watching.